Hi everyone! Let's make this rustic sweet pea cookie together. You're going to need medium roll icing in a tipless bag and pipe some of it onto your cookie. We are not looking to flood the cookie, we just want to apply the icing inside the cookie's form. Literally just pipe some squiggly lines inside the cookie. Once you've piped a moderate amount of icing inside the cookie, or pipe squiggly lines, take a fan brush and smooth out the icing. For optimal results, you'll want to brush in the same direction, either vertically or horizontally. Once the icing is completely brushed out, using a boo-boo stick, bring a straight line down through the center of the cookie, removing the icing and wiping it off the boo-boo stick as you work. Then continue to make planks inside the cookie, using the center line as your guide to make even spacing. To create knots in the cookie, use the pointed edge of your boo-boo stick and remove some of the icing. Each time you remove icing, you need to wipe it off the boo-boo stick. Allow the cookie to dry for 6 hours. Once it is dried, you can sketch in a few lines of where you want to put the stems for your sweet pea, and then using brown food paste, dingy up the white icing just a little bit. Using a No. 2 nozzle filled with soft consistency green food paste, pipe out the stems to your sweet peas. Using stiff consistency purple icing and a 56R nozzle, we're going to pipe our first set of sweet peas. You want to pipe a U shape for the back petal, and then pipe a smaller U shape inside the original U shape. Now pipe 2 tiny U shapes. For the larger sweet peas, we're using pink icing and a 61 nozzle, and the icing is still stiff. You're still piping your U shapes, they're just coming out more angular. You can always use a brush to tuck in the ends if they're not cooperating. To pipe a half sweet pea, again pipe a big U shape using your 61 nozzle, and then pipe another U shape, squeezing it in between the 2 sweet peas. Switch to your green stiff consistency icing and a tipless bag and pipe out your leaves. Switch to a 1.5 nozzle and medium consistency icing to pipe the calyx and sepals. Now switch your tip for a No. 4 tip and pipe a big blob of light green icing at the bottom of your cookie. Using graham crackers that have already been colored green, dip the bottom portion of your cookie into the little bowl of the graham crackers. Scooch some of the graham crackers up towards the icing. Gently tap off the excess graham crackers And now we have moss. This next part is optional. You could leave your cookie as is. It's beautiful without painting it. I tend to lean towards painting my flowers because I want to add tonal value, depth, and some hue variation. To add a little bit more interest to the colors of my sweet pea, I have chosen for the purple sweet peas to use a lavender color and a dusty rose color so that I have two different colors running through my purple sweet peas. On the pink sweet peas, I'm using a baby pink color and claret to give us the variations of color. To really bring out the foliage, mix a little bit of gold luster dust into a green food paste that you like, and then paint your foliage. You will notice as you are painting mostly your larger leaves that you'll see flecks of gold coming through the green. It's a really pretty effect. Once you're finished painting your sweet peas, look at the background. If you feel you don't have enough of the brown color coming up onto the royal icing, as I feel, go back and paint over the brown areas that you painted previously just to revibrate those colors. Thank you for watching me. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this sweet pea cookie, and I'll see you in the next video.